How to tie a cardboard bale with Baler Twine M60MD. This instructional video has been created to show you how to use Baler twine to tie bales on your Harmony vertical baler. Harmony manufactures several models that come equipped with twine holders and eyelets for fast and efficient bale tying. This video will show a partially made bale in an M60MD low-profile vertical baler. Before putting any recyclables into the chamber, 1. Take the end of the twine from the center of each of the twine boxes at the rear of the baler and feed each end through each eyelet at the back of the baler. Do this for all of the tying slots. In this case, there are 4 tying slots on the M60MD baler. 2. Pull enough twine through the eyelets to allow them to hang loosely to the baler floor and lay in the channels of the baler floor towards the front of the baler. 3. Tie a loop on each end of the twine at the front of the baler. 4. Secure the loops on the twine holder at the lower front of the baler. There is 1 twine holder for every 2 channels on the baler floor. 5. Lay a piece of cardboard on the baler floor to begin making a bale. Insert cardboard to be baled evenly into the chamber, being sure not to offload the material to one side, the front or rear of the baler. Cycle the machine per operational instructions in the owner's manual or operations video. 6. Once there is a full bale in the chamber, stop the baler and open the upper and lower doors. Push the twine hook through the slots in the platen above the compacted material. 7. Hook the twine and pull the twine to the front of the channel in the platen. Repeat this for all tying slots. 8. Cut the twine that is connected to the box in the back of the baler. 9. Unhook the loop twine for the channel from the front of the twine holder. 10. Tie each twine securely around the bale. To tie the bale, create 3 loop or horse knots, pulling tight to the bale, but leaving enough room for expansion. Eject the bale per instructions in the owner's manual or Harmony operations video. If you would like to learn more about the content of this video, Harmony's wide range of waste and recycling solutions, service, or parts, please call us at area code 507-886-6666 today.